Hey guys, how's everyone? So you never guess what this video is going to be about today. If you guess recall, you're right. Another one. These things keep popping up, but this one has to do with the frame on older model CRVs. So not all of us have new cars. So if you have the years that it affects, and it's quite a bit of cars, it's 564,000, and it's just CRVs right now. And it's from 2007 to 2011 are the years. And the issue is with these is they're saying that road salt can cause the frame to rust more than it should, and the rear suspension parts to come loose. So, and if that happens, of course, that'd be dangerous. And they're saying they were sold or registered in 22 states and Washington, D.C. And of course, it's where salt is used to clear roads in the wintertime. So that's how they're kind of deciding which cars are going to need the improvements made on it. So the technical part is they're saying the rear trailing arms that connect to the rear axle to the chassis could corrode enough to make it where the driver can lose control. So of course that's a huge deal. And they're saying when Honda figures out which ones are the affected ones, they will install a support brace, or if it's too badly damaged where they can't do that, there's no good metal for it to be welded to, then they'll just repair the frame. And then this is interesting too. They're saying if the frame is too badly damaged, like they're noticing it's just too far gone, it says that Honda will actually buy the vehicle back. So that's interesting. I've never heard of a recall that they actually bought like cars back, especially cars that are older like that. Now I don't know. I mean, there's no details as far as like what value they give you and all that stuff. But hey, if yours is damaged and they're gonna buy it back from you for a decent amount, it might be the way to go too, since it'd be unsafe to drive it. So they're gonna start notifying owners starting May 8th. So a little less than a month away from now. So if you guys have, or you guys know somebody that has a CRV from 2007 to 2011, definitely let them know about this. Again, it doesn't say exactly which states they were, but if you live somewhere, I would think, where it snows a lot, where they put the salts down the road, that could cause corrosion. Definitely something to pay attention to. And like I said, be on the lookout for a letter. They always send them for recalls. Honda always sends letters home. But there are instances too, like if you bought it used, and they didn't get the change of address, you might not even get the paperwork on it. The original owner might. So again, it's good to know these things. And what I would do if I had one of those, I would call the dealer, maybe wait till May 8th. So the dealers actually get more insight on it as well. Call the dealer and ask if your VIN number is affected by it, to get that repaired as quickly as possible. So I thought that was interesting. It's like a different one, but like I said, this one actually doesn't pertain to newer vehicles. So it is nice to see that Honda is standing behind their products. I mean, you're talking about a vehicle that's could be 12 or 15 years old that they're still standing behind. So that's good to hear. It's a good move for Honda to do that. So again, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. If you haven't heard about it, let me know in the comment section if you heard of this particular one or something similar and what the results were on those. Okay? So hope everyone's having a great day out there, being safe. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.